So let's start. So we are going to learn about dot product now, which is also called scalar product. Okay, we have the homework questions to discuss, right? What's the doubt, Risha? You're not getting the answer? Which one do you think is right? In 15? Which one?
P plus Q is equal to R.
P vector plus Q vector is equal to R vector. No. Yes, P vector plus Q vector will be equal to 2R. That would be the answer, I think. Let's see how. Question 15, right? So we are given some diagram like this. Here is the P vector, and this is Q vector, and R vector is like this, correct?
Yes.
Okay, what is this point?
B.
B.
A. C.
Right. So this is what we are given. This is the. Okay, so we want to find out the relation between these. Now you can do it in 2 or 3 different ways, but one thing that comes to mind is that if we are not given anything special about it, or given is C midpoint or something, you can C is the midpoint. Okay, so depending on your geometry knowledge, we can use different methods. So do you remember that in a parallelogram, diagonals bisect each other?
Yes.
Yes. If you do, then we can do it really easily. So suppose I will complete a parallelogram drawn by P and Q. Did you understand what I have done? And then this would be one diagonal, correct or not?
Yes.
Correct? Did you understand why? So because C is the midpoint, so this diagonal must bisect. So if where is the resultant by parallelogram P vector plus Q vector should be, suppose let's say this point is D, then P vector plus Q vector should be OD vector. Yes or no?
Yes.
Everyone gets there?
Yes.
Okay. But OD vector, as you can see, is not R vector. It is again 2 times R vector. Why so? Because the diagonal is bisected. So R is only R. Did you understand that method?
Yes.
Clear? Any queries, anyone? The other way to do it is, if you don't make the parallelogram, then also there is a slightly longer but probably easier to understand method like this is as follows. See, this is R vector. So I am going to relate R vector and Q vector and BC vector. Right. So first of all, let's start with that. So if I draw one vector, BC vector like this. So do you see that by triangle law of subtraction in this triangle OCB, we have R vector minus Q vector. R vector minus Q vector will be equal to BC vector. Correct or not?
Yes.
What's the law? Draw 2 vectors by the common tail. Done? Sure?
Yes.
And then head minus tail. Draw it that way. So where's the head? Head is at C or R vector, and tail is at B, Q vector. Correct? So that gives you BC vector. And similarly, here also if I take a CA vector, then just like I wrote it here, I can write P vector minus R vector is equal to CA vector. Correct? I hope you are following it.
Yes.
Triangle method. Draw P vector, draw R vector, and then from this to this, you have to draw the third one. This is nothing but P vector minus R vector. So what is P vector minus R vector? CA vector. So that's how we got it. Now we have got 2 relations. Now we have got these 2 relations. So I want to find out R vector, right? But BC vector and CA vector are equal. Why? Because this is midpoint. So R and Z yes or no?
Yes.
So put them equal. So R vector minus Q vector is BC vector, but BC vector is also C vector. CA vector means P vector minus R vector. So 2r vector equal to p vector plus q vector. Did you understand?
Yes.
That's the other way. Again, like I said, this is extremely short. પરિણામ માટે તમને આ property યાદ હોય તો થાય. Okay, any other queries with the homework? Sure, nothing? Okay. Fine. Let's continue with dot products and all that. Okay, dot product or the scalar product. Okay, so what is dot product? First of all, it's defined as follows: that A vector dot B vector. Now see, you have to compulsorily write dot like this. नीचे नहीं रखना. What do I mean? This is wrong. Did you understand?
Yes.
અને ઉપર એ નહીં લખવાનું. This is also wrong. Okay, it should be somewhere in the middle here. So A vector dot B vector is equal to A B cos theta. This is the basic definition of dot product. First of all, product means what? Multiply. Earlier we have seen only one kind of product so far. This, where you are multiplying a scalar to a vector. But here this is a product of two vectors. It is a product of two vectors. But what's the result? What's the answer that you are getting? That answer is a scalar. Making it very clear. This answer that we are getting is just a scalar. That is, it does not have a direction. And that's why this is called scalar product. Understood? Why this kind of thing? Why is it called dot product? Because dot is simple. Okay, so dot product or scalar product. Fine. This is definition. What's A? What's A? A vector है. खाली A आ શું કહેવાય? Magnitude of vector A. Clear or not? Then similarly, what's B? And what is theta? Angle between A vector and B vector. All right. Okay. So this is a very important formula, everyone. ઘણી બધી વસ્તુ તેના નામ તમે સાંભળ્યા હશે 9th standard માં. They are dot products of something. For example, have you heard of kinetic energy? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, it is found by dot product. Have you heard of work?
Yes.
Found by dot product. Potential energy?
Yes.
Dot product. All right. These are just three of the more examples that we have. Power, say, energy related, almost everything is a dot product of something. Right? Okay, so this is it. Let's try to understand how everything works here. Examples to join and also suppose this is a vector and let's say this is B vector here and the angle between them is, for example, 60 degrees. And magnitude of A is 5 units and magnitude of B is, let's say, 6. Then can you tell me what is A vector dot B vector? कोई into नहीं बोलो, dot only. It is a product, but we don't say into or anything, right? A vector dot B vector. How much? Raise your hand when you're done. Use this definition. कहीं आज करवाना नहीं, खाली आज practical. Very easy. Oh, group पूछे देते? क्या माउ करो जो? Do you see the formula over here? Use it. I याद रखवानी है. खाली तो आवड़ दो. Okay, put your hands down. Only, what's your answer? 15. Yes or no?
Yes.
How do we get it? Use the formula. A into B into cos theta. So what is A? 5. B 6. Cos 60 degrees. 1 by 2. Okay. So this is going to be 30 by 2 or 50. Clear?
Yes.
Sit down. Well done. 15. 15 is a vector or a number?
Number.
Did you understand what I was saying? The answer is a scalar. That's why we call it scalar product. Got it? Okay. Try this now. Let's say A is 4 units and B is 6 units. Hurry up. You have 30 seconds to get the answer. Hurry up. Raise your hand when you're done. Find A vector dot B vector. That's the question. Alright. Okay. Yes, Nandini. Minus
12.
minus 12. Who gets minus 12? Who gets a different answer? Yes, Sama? 0. Okay, what's the formula? AB cos theta. Okay, what is A? 4. B? 6. What is cos theta? Theta is? Theta. 120. So cos 120. Correct? What's cos 120 degree? Minus 1 by 2. So 24 into minus 1 by 2. So that is minus 12. Clear or not?
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
Sit down. What happened, Sama? Not clear?
I took cos minus 1.
You took
Minus 1.
cos theta is minus 1.
Minus 120 degree.
I don't understand what you're saying. You took minus 120 degree. So what? Then how did you get 0? How did you get 0? Cos 120 degree is minus 120. That's it, right? Okay, angle is 120 degree, correct or not? Fine. Okay, sit down. No problem. I'm sure you learned it too. Okay. હવે ખબર પડી આ બધી values કેમ જોઈએ છે? Right? Because angle between vectors may be obtuse. Alright, try this now. Let's say this is A vector has magnitude 10 units. Alright, and B vector has magnitude 6 units. Can you find out what is B vector dot A vector this time? A vector dot B vector is AB cos theta. What do you think B vector dot A vector is? What do you think B vector dot A vector will be? આટલા બધા ક્રિએટિવ છો. cos નો sin કેનું થઈ ગયું સમજો? If it is A vector dot B vector, you write A B cos theta. If it is B vector dot A vector, then it will be B A cos theta. Is it not correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
Sin ક્યાંથી આવી જાય? I don't understand that. આ સમજાણો કે ન સમજાણો ભાઈ? Two vectors are there, you do dot product. So ઓલામાં A B હતો એટલે A B cos theta, આમાં B પછી આવે એટલે B A cos theta. Okay, we've got it. Raise your hand. All right, Dhruvi, what's your answer?
40.
3030. Who agrees? No. All right, Jennifer, what's your answer? 30 root 3. Who agrees? Who disagrees? Dia?
Minus 30 root 3.
Minus 30 root 3. Who agrees? Minus 30 root 3. Minus 30 root 3. All right. Okay. Stand. Dhruvi, how did you get 30? Can you tell me?
Take 1 upon
What?
cos 31 upon.
You took cos 30 as 1 upon. Is it 1 upon 2? No. How much is it? Root 3 by 2. Okay. Need to know the tables. You have 24 hours. Actually, tomorrow is the Monday. The day after as well. So you have a lot of time. Be ready on Monday. Right? Sit down. Jennifer, what's your answer? Why? Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So B 6, A 10 and root 3 by 2. So by simplifying we get 30 root 3. Alright? Yes or no?
No.
Who says no? What says that? Hariba, what's the problem? No, Sugam. Kai quote is nothing. Angle is 30, this is 10, this is 6.
30 degree minus.
Sorry?
Sorry, see.
It is correct? Yes, Millie? What's wrong with this? This is okay, yaar. 30 angles है, 10 है, 6, बीजू तो कहीं करवाना तो है नहीं. So, what?
Slide.
We have to slide the vector. Yes. ભૂલી ગયા બધા? અમુક લોકોને જ યાદ છે. Angle between vectors can only be measured by drawing them from
Common
the
table.
heaven gun. Pardon? Did you write it on top of your notebook?
Yes.
When all the bold is in the header, remember. એક્ઝામ પહેલા ખાલી ફટાફટ નોટબુક ના પેજ ને ઉપર વાંચી લો એટલે બધું આવડી જશે. If you can remember those sentences, you will not make a single mistake in the exam. Yes or no? આવી જ મિસ્ટેક થાય અને પેપર સેન્ટર આમાં જ તમને ઉલ્લુ બનાવે. Remember that. Okay? So, what's wrong here? The angle is not 30. અહીંયા છે ને, this is head and that's tail. So the angle is not 30. So what would we have to do? Like Millie said, we have to slide the vector here. Correct? And I'm document. Got it? So now where's the angle? This is the angle. How much is that angle? 150 degrees. So it's actually cos 150 degrees here. How much is cos 150 degrees? Minus root 3 by 2. એટલે ઓલો positive answer હતો તો આવશે negative. That is minus 30 root 3. Did you get that?
Yes.
So those who were getting minus 30 root 3, your answer is correct. Well done. Others, hopefully you have learned the lesson.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Sure.
Yes.
What? What's the lesson? क्या mistake થઈ તમારી? Angle. What? બોલો તો ખરા, sentence શું છે? Angle between two vectors. What? Should only be measured when they are drawn from
Common
common
tail.
tail. Otherwise, what to do? You have to push or move the vector so that there is a common tail. Correct or not?
Yes.
હવે રહેશે ને બધાને કે ભૂલી જશો?
Yes, sir.
And Ariba, do not get confused. બરાબર ને? સાચો જ આન્સર આવ્યો તો પછી મેં
Sir,
એક્સપ્રેશન
what did
કેવી
you
રીતે
pass?
કર્યા તો હું માની ગઈ. હા, આમાં કઈ ખોટું જ નથી. Sit down. Any queries? એક્ઝામમાં તો કન્ફ્યુઝન તો થશે જ. કારણ કે એક્ઝામમાં કેવું થાય કે તમે લખો ને પછી એવું થાય અરે આ સાચું ખોટું કઈ ખબર નહીં પડે. અને એમાં તો કોઈ કન્ફર્મ કરવા વાળું તો હોય નહીં. નો જ હોય ને. કે હોય છે તમારી એક્ઝામમાં કન્ફર્મ કરો. સુપરવાઇઝર ને કહો ને આમાં આવું જ આવે ને. Okay. So this is B vector dot A vector. All right. I want to ask you something. Is A vector dot B vector and B vector dot A vector same or different? Same or different?
Same.
Sure?
Yes.
Of course. Because B vector dot A vector is BA cos theta. अब एक है A into B करो, A B into A करो. Numbers में तो same होता है 2 into 3, 3 into 2, 6. Correct or not?
Yes.
Clear? So remember that A vector dot B vector is always equal to B vector dot A vector. Got it? Got it or not? Then one very easy sentence. If A vector perpendicular to B vector. What's that? If A vector is perpendicular to B vector. A vector dot B vector will be equal to, बोलो, What should I write? Use the formula. What should I write? A
AB.
B cos શું 90 degree. તો
AB.
AB 0 શું cos 90 degree શું આવે 0 ને પાક્કું ને ધ્યાન કરજો ટ્રિગ્નોમેટ્રી તમને લોકોને બી કેરફુલ વેલ્યુઝ બધી મોઢે આવડી જ જોઈએ અને ખોટી નો જ પડી જાય ગમે તે થાય ક્લિયર a vector dot sorry if a vector is perpendicular to b vector that would mean a vector dot b vector is equal to 0 always a rule understood obviously it's very easy to understand why it's like that yes or no because cos 90 degrees is 0 that's all okay now this is one way to do the dot product here is another thing see if instead of all this if the vectors are given in I caret, j caret, k caret form, then what to do? That's what we are going to learn. So I'm going to write 9 things here. Okay, let's start. So first one, I hat dot I hat. आप find करो. तो find करो. I hat dot I hat. Let's use this formula. This is the first vector. This is the second vector. So what should I put on the right side? Magnitude of I hat. પછી આ શું લખ્યું? A લખ્યું ને હજી. હવે શું લખવાનું? B. So magnitude of I hat into cos theta. But theta શું? Angle between I hat and I hat. What do you think? 0. તમારા માઇન્ડમાં વેક્ટર સાંભળીને એરો દેખાય છે કે નહીં તમને લોકોને હજી કે નથી દેખાતો એરો એવરી વેક્ટર ઇઝ એન એરો એટલે જ આટલા બધા ડાયાગ્રામ ડ્રો કરાવ કર્યા છે every time you hear the name vector okay you should be able to imagine or see an arrow immediately I had key direction now positive x so I had draw और बीजू I had key direction it's in the positive x આ બે વચ્ચે કેટલો એંગલ 0 સમજાણું ને okay this is equal to 1 આ બે ક્યાં છે unit vector magnitude what 1 cos 0 again 1 so I hat dot I hat is 1 is that clear or not clear yes okay આ 9 યાદ રાખવાના છે ડરી ન જતા એકદમ ઈઝી એટલે લોજિક યુઝ કરો તો ઈઝી ગોફા વાળા માટે તો રોવાનો વારો આવશે બરાબર જે સમજીને કરશે એને કઈ લાગશે નહીં તમે એમ જ સર આ તો તમે કહો છો પણ કઈ આવું યાદ ન રાખવાનું તો થઈ જ જાય એકદમ સાચું જ પડે સેકન્ડ I hat dot j hat ચલો પેલા આવી દે લખી એક બે વાર I hat magnitude પછી j hat magnitude પછી શું લખું cos 90 sure yes so શું આવશે 0 why because cos 90 degrees is 0 thank you yes sure yes okay let's go to the next one I hat dot k hat now here we'll have to imagine where is I hat j hat and k hat let's go to that corner here તમે ત્યારે એવા હોય તો અહીંયા પહોંચી જાવ ઓકે સો વેર ઇઝ I hat x क्या હોય x axis આ x axis હોય ને પછી y क्या હોય okay and k means z axis sorry z axis is here correct yes okay so here we are looking for I hat dot k hat એટલે પેલા magnitude તો નામ લખી નાખો ને into cos હવે એંગલ લખવાનો છે between I hat which is on x axis and k hat which is on z axis what do you think 90 absolutely sure yes right number yes because x axis is that way but the z axis is that way બરાબર ને તો I hat આમ છે k hat આમ છે આ બેની વચ્ચે 90 clear yes so cos 90 degrees 0 understood yes okay હવે આ જોઈને સમજી ગયા ને કે કેવી રીતે લખવાનું અને પછી લખવાનું j hat dot I hat પછી j hat dot j hat અરે યાર શું કરો j hat dot k hat yes or no અરે I જગ્યાએ I છે કે આ છે એ પણ લખવાનું છે પછી એટલું લખવું k hat dot I hat પછી k hat dot j hat and k hat dot k hat clear
Yes.
okay start હવે રેપિડ ફાયર રાઉન્ડ બરાબર તો જલ્દી જલ્દી આન્સર બધા 4 0 y angle 90 cos 90 is 0 ચલો પતી ગયું next 1 y શું છે ખાલી 0 બોલો તો નો થાય ને angle is 0 cos 0 1 અને આ મેગ્નીટ્યુડ એ બેના 1 આવે ને એટલે હો નહીં તો બીજું કઈ હોય તો 1 ન આવે આવો આવશે did you get that okay આ j hat dot k hat 0 sure
Yes.
absolutely
Yes.
angle શું
90.
you think about it એમને ગમે તો બોલો between j hat and k hat what is the angle
90.
sure
Yes.
તમે કહો છો તો માની લે okay angle is 90 because k hat is that way and j hat is upward so abe hote 90 okay next 0 next next સમજી ગયા
Yes.
1 ક્યારે આવે
Same
સેમ છે ને ત્યારે જાય ને I hat dot I hat 1 I hat sorry j hat dot j hat is 1 and k hat dot k hat is 1 every other combination of I j k is 0 okay now this brings us to the other formula so will you be able to remember all the 9 or at least find all the 9 however you want okay so suppose someone would say now I want to explain a very simple property that we have over here. It's just like numbers. See, suppose someone would say a dot product nothing, general multiplication માટે 2x into 3y. This you can easily write as 2 into 3 separate and then x into y. Correct or not? Yes.
Yes.
Suppose someone gives you x into 12y. Then also you can write 12 separate and write x, y together. Agreed?
Yes.
Basically, numbers are very nice when it comes to multiplication. You can put them outside always. They don't bother you. Agreed?
Yes.
So we was together and let's do it here. So suppose a vector is given as x ax I caret, a y j caret plus a z k caret, that is in the standard form. Okay, and similarly we have another vector b which is bx I caret plus by j caret plus bz. Okay. Two vectors in standard. Earlier we have learned a way to do dot product. What's that formula? A vector dot b vector is equal to a cos theta. Now here we are going to learn another one where everything is given in the form of component. એના માટે આ બધા use XP. So a vector dot b vector equal to, first of all I will simply put the value તમે લખો મને bracket. Probably so found and white. Okay. Right. So first of all, I'm sure you have learned something like this in your classes that you have got two brackets like this and one multiply them. What to do? In a distributive block, right? A with C, A with D, then B with C, put them plus minus the outside. Okay? Distributive. Right. So like that if I do it here. First terms of AX I caret dot BX I caret. I know that. But like I explained it here, the numbers AX and BX are just numbers. Directions are I hat and I hat. So the numbers can be written outside like here. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yes.
Then we have 2, 3 number together. Symbols together and numbers outside. This, you get that?
Yes.
Yes? They don't bother you at all. સમજાણું ને? So AX, BX and I hat dot I hat. Now this term is over. Next term plus. So first with second. AX by હજુ લખું I hat dot J hat clear next dot AX BZ I hat dot K clear how did you get the love yes or no first with first second third પછી ત્રણ લખીને નીચે જજો હવે second with first તો શું લખું AY BX J caret dot I caret clear clear or not લખના કો 9 ચલો ફટાફટ hurry up come on done સ્પીડ ઓછી પડે છે પેપર ફાટી જાય એવું સ્પીડ માં લખવાનું હોય આગ લાગી જાય પેપર પર એમાં ક્યાં કઈ વિચારવાનું છે ફર્સ્ટ સેકન્ડ એવું કરવાનું હોય તો થઈ જાય ડોટ લખો છે ને બરાબર અરે આ ઉપરના ડોટ ની વાત નથી કરતો ડન oh ધીમા okay so out of all of these some are zero which are zero 6 are zero yes or no જેમાં બે સેમ નો હોય ને 0 yes or no okay અને જેમાં બે સેમ હોય 1 okay so finally do you agree that this will give us final answer as follows yes or no બધું જતું રહ્યું I had dot I had 1 so 1 into x bx એટલે x bx correct પછી અહીંયાની ટર્મ આવશે આ હોય
0
અહીંયા 0 નહીં આવે અહીંયા 1 આવશે અહીંયા 0 આવે તો તમે ખોટું લખો right the term here below this will be 1 that is we get ay by correct or not okay એવું નથી આવતું તમારે આવે છે ઓર્ડર માં લખ્યું ને કે આડોડ પહેલા આને મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરો who is not getting 9 terms raise your hand ચલો એવી સિલી મિસ્ટેક તો કોઈ નથી કરી you are getting 9 terms correct પછી અહીંયા 0 ને છેલ્લે અહીંયા આવશે એકદમ રાઈટ સાઈડ માં નીચે correct or not that will be az bz a caret dot k caret is 1 અહીંયા 1 મૂકી દીધું તો ખાલી એટલું છે ને clear or not do not write I caret here this is the common mistake કઈ કોઈ વેનન તેરી આજે નન તે તો ક્યારે કરતા નહીં આજે હા કર લો તમે તાર હમણાં થવા મળશે જોજો alright so it's just ax bx plus ay by plus az bz આમાં ક્યાંય I caret j caret કઈ આવે નહીં reason this is supposed to be a scalar એની થોડી ડાયરેક્શન પર did you get that ચલો હવે પ્રેક્ટિસ કેવી કરવાનું ચાલે એ રીતે ખાલી આ ફોર્મ્યુલા રાખું છું બરાબર ને બાકી બધું જવા દો એ જવા દો હા હવે રાખો પછી મારે જ લખવી પડશે બીજી કારણ કે તમે તો પેજ ફેરવી જોશો ને બરાબર છે so suppose a vector is 2i caret plus j caret minus 3k caret and b vector is 4i caret minus j caret plus k 1k caret or just k caret હવે આનો ડોટ પ્રોડક્ટ કરો let's start a vector dot b vector equal to શું કરો
ax bx
તો કરો એક વાર કરો તો ખરો હું જો શું આન્સર આપો
b વેક્ટર
એ તમ કેમ તકલીફ પડે છે ખબર નથી પડતી k caret છે હે this has happened probably 3 times with you now બીજા કોઈને એવો પ્રોબ્લેમ થયો કે એનાથી ઓલે ખબર નથી પડી તો તને કેમ એવું Is it that you need specs? Love. Voice again, eh? Who has got the answer? Okay. Fine, I'm doing it here. What should I ask you first? What's your answer? Equal to make love, the अक्षर of drag? Ask me, yeah, equal to like that. A vector dot B vector. You have found a goal equal to our bachhi. Equal to 5. He is saying 5. Who agrees? You are getting 5. Okay. Who gets a different answer? Rudra. 2. Who agrees? Variety spice of life. Exactly. 4. Who gets 4? Any different answers? Yes, Nandini? 6. Who gets 6? Yamakti? 10. What's that? 2, 4, 6. Any other answer? 4. 12. When 20 बोलो से 20 0 to the 1000. Anyone else? Any other answer? Sit down here. I don't know what the answer. Let's find out. So first of all, ax bx. What's ax? 2. Only 2. Ax is only 2. Is that clear? Not 2 I caret. बराबर. So ax is 2. चलो बची 2 4. bx is 4 plus formula मध्ये ay 1. Clear or not clear? Yes. by very plus
minus 3
az minus 3 bz 1. Clear or not clear? Yes. नहीं I caret j caret आगे नहीं. Okay. 8
minus 1
minus 3 4. बाकी बताया कैलकुलेटर में बराबर है कि मैं गई से मैं गई तो को okay. Did you all find your own mistakes or not? Okay, try this now. Find a vector dot b vector. Anyone else finished it? Okay. A vector dot b vector equal to okay. Fine. So which one? What's your answer? 5. Who agrees? Who disagrees? Who disagrees? Okay, Shantanu, what's your answer?
4.
Your answer? 4.
4.
4. Who's getting 4? Oh, 4 वाली टीम में से बीजी टीम શું 5. 4 versus 5. એવું છે ને આ વખતે. Anyone? Any other answer? Okay, let's see. So first of all, આ k caret છે હો જો. આ j caret નથી. This is k caret. બરાબર? So we would have to what if it is 0 j caret plus 1 k caret. Clear or not? Yes. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, so a vector dot b vector is equal to ax bx. So 1 into 2, 2. 0 into anything is 0. Yes or no?
Yes.
Fine. મને એવું ના સમજાતું તમે લોકો 4 કેમ જાવ 0 into -1 એવું કેવું So do you realize that always there are so many different ways to do it wrong and only one correct way. बराबर है? That's why we all need to know the concept. Randomly गम्मे करना के तो answer no आवे. Alright? Hopefully you all will be careful now. Right? अब अगलू तो कहीं थे नहीं. It's just about attention. That's it. Sit down, everyone. Well tried. Okay, have you understood this?
Yes.
Now, let's quickly learn an application of this thing. To find angle between two vectors, A vector and B vector, we do this. Cos theta is equal to A vector dot B vector upon AB. I can hear you. Hello. From the basic definition, isn't it?
Yes.
Right. What was the basic definition? A vector dot B vector equal to AB cos theta. So cos theta equal to A vector dot B vector upon AB. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. So, before the bell rings, let me just emphasize the main things about dot product. This is one way to find dot product. When to use it? When things are given in I carry J at that form, in standard form. Correct or not?
Yes.
Earlier we have learned the other formula for A vector dot B vector. What's that? A vector dot B vector is equal to AB cos theta. Where to use it? Yaman no tha. Do you see that?
Yes.
Sama kya angle hai wo? You understood?
Yes.
So when vector's direction is given in form of angle, at that time you can use that formula. Understood?
Yes.
Yes or no? When you know that two vectors are there and they are making some angle, then you can use AB cos theta. If you know it in standard form, you use this form. And now this is the third use to find the angle between two vectors. So like Kamkar, can you find angle between these two vectors? Okay, A vector is suppose 1 I caret plus j caret, and B vector is let's say I caret minus j caret. K caret નથી લઉં જરૂર નથી. Okay, so this is given. I want you to find angle between these two vectors by using this formula. કઈ નથી કરવાનું, ખાલી formula મૂકી દેવાનું છે. So two parts to do it. One numerator and the other denominator. All right. So પહેલા numerator થી start કરો. What is A vector dot B vector? This is given in question. Find numerator. Raise your hand when you're done. Answer कोई बोलता नहीं, खाली कर ही ना आप. Raise your hand when you're done. Numerator पूछो जो, denominator પછી આપણે कर लेते. Okay. Put it down then. Anyone else? Finish numerator, A vector dot B vector. Okay. કેમ બીજા લોકો નો આવ્યું શું થયું? થઈ ગયું ને? Okay, what is it? 0.
Yes.
Who gets it as 0? Sure?
Yes.
Yes, I 1 say 1 say 1 say 1 say, correct or not? So
Yes.
1 into 1. પછી plus 1 into minus 1. Clear or not?
Yes.
Sure?
Yes.
Okay, so 1 into 1 1 minus 1, so this is going to be 0 upon something. अरे 0 upon गમે તે તો 0 જ આવે ને?
Yes.
Clear or not?
Yes.
Cos theta is 0. What is theta?
90.
90 degrees. Yes. So we have found the angle between two vectors. What is that angle?
90
degrees. Did you understand how to use this? દર વખતે 0 નહીં આવે પણ ગમે તે આવે આવી રીતે કરો. Clear? Fine? Okay. So that's the use of this method. Right? Whenever you find angle between two vectors. And I a formula thing, but frankly this formula is just coming from that other one. And E out there the other how is it? Just by dividing AB on this side. Correct?
Yes.
Turn it off.